So it has been a hot minute since I have posted anything, but this is going to be an exciting week or so. This video is going to be probably about 2 weeks of filming, but just 2 separate days because today I'm going to drop the Z off for paint. So I've been talking about doing this for like literally 2 years now since I got the car, and a lot has really just been kind of stagnant because of what's going on in the world right now. But I mean, can't really change that, so I'm just riding the wave like everyone else is and doing what I can with the time and resources. I have fortunately been working, so I've been saving some money to be able to do this, but basically the only thing that's changed is that I got my front lip, the Stillen GTZ front lip for the car, and that is on. And I didn't post about that because, as always, it was raining when I tried to install it, so I don't know. So anyways, today we gotta drive all the way up or down to Paris, which is down south of me by like San Diego, I think. So got about an hour drive. My dad's gonna go up there with me, so hopefully everything's gonna turn out perfect. Fox body just went by me at like Mach 1, so no Mustang joke intended. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, I just got gas. I'm gonna go back to my house real quick and collect my dad, and we're gonna have a whole big convoy up there. So I'll see you guys probably when we end up there. It is 96 degrees. We're almost there. I'm getting super excited but super nervous at the same time. I got my dad behind me. This place is actually really nice. I'm not gonna lie. I'll see you guys in a second. Let's go. Hello. Hi. This bike's gonna take off real quick and it's super loud. Okay, it's been like 2 weeks or something like that, but anyways, the Z is back. Just never had real time to do a walk around or anything, so I'll do it right now in the day. got some stuff to do with it, and I'll explain that in a second, but looks pretty good. Gotta get window tint. Yeah, unfortunately, like right when I got it back, stuff started to go complete Z mode. You can see it's like really dirty. It's just been literally sitting at home for the past 2 weeks now, because if you're a Z guy, you know, good old injectors on the VG like to disappear. So I had a whole new replacement kit for that I'm gonna end up doing this weekend. But yeah, I basically put a new injector in, which was not the right size, and hydrolocked the motor. Luckily nothing broke, so just left this cylinder open. I think it's cylinder number 4. Just left it open. I don't know if you can see that or not, but I took the spark plug out and got all the gas out, just launched as much out as I could, and letting the rest of it just evaporate naturally, because gas likes to go pretty easy. But I basically left the throttle cable cover and stuff off like that, so I can get back in there easier, because I don't have to do it again this weekend, even though I did it last weekend. It's pretty garbage. But aside from that, checked a lot of stuff to figure out what it was. At first it just sounded like a normal misfire, so I took everything apart. I took out the first coil pack, switched it out because I keep a bunch on deck just in case, because these do like to go. Changed the PTU, pulled the spark plug on cylinder 4, which I proceeded to drop and crack the insulation, so I replaced that anyways. Car still wouldn't run right. Then I finally got a code on it, like after a day of trying to figure out what was going on, and said the injector circuit was bad. And at that point I had already figured out it was cylinder 4 by just doing like pulling the injector, or not the injector, sorry, the coil pack plug, and obviously didn't make a difference. So yeah, but basically I'm gonna do that this weekend. I got a whole kit off Concept Z, so yeah, the car looks good though. I need a new tension rod as well, because the right side, the bushing went. I mean, they're all the arms on that car are factory, so fortunately can't be doing any driving, but paint looks really good. I don't know if you can see the pearl, but I'll include a clip of the pearl in a second. You can kind of see it there, just a little bit dirty. Super happy with how it came out. I'll get some glamour shots of it whenever I can actually get it fixed, but you know how it goes. Z life.